This is Eve. She needs a tool to help her find her perfect university or course. Bring in the Complete University Guide League Table. Ta-da! It can help Eve filter by subject, so she can easily see how universities rank in this particular subject area. Now that she has a list of universities, she needs to figure out where she wants to study, and that's where the region filter can help narrow her search. Job prospects can be a worry. So she refines her search even further by clicking the Graduate Job Prospects tab, which reorders the universities from highest to lowest ranking. It can even give you a bit of extra information on a university. So Eve clicks on Bristol UWE and takes a peek at what else the institution has to offer. If Eve decides history is a subject area she's interested in, the course button can help show what's available in more detail to further narrow down her options. Remember, you can do this from any of the league tables on the Complete University Guide website. The Complete University Guide is helping students find their perfect course in university, so join them to find yours now.